I'm never going to financially recover from this. Hey guys, what's going on? Hey guys, what's going on? It's your boy Jay, and I don't sound excited. It's because I'm not. I've essentially, I never thought I'd say this on camera. I lost my 300K account, and it sucks. Funding Talent just announced that they are doing no more challenge accounts, and all current challenge accounts are now being moved to their Edge accounts. So it kind of sucks for everybody because now the payouts have been reduced from a 90% for the first 10% split to 80% afterwards is now 25%, along with consistency rules, which, meh. Honestly, overall, this is a big sudden change and no one was prepared for it, including myself. But I guess they can do whatever they want because they are the company. This is kind of the equivalent of a big layoff from a job. So the only actual solution for this is either continue working at that job if you can at a reduced pay, or you can move to a different job, which is exactly what I'm doing. A lot of people are really upset with this, and I fully understand it, and I'm upset with it too. But to be honest with you, the only thing that we can do is evolve and move on. So currently, we got boom, boom, and boom. I am going to be maxing out my Ftmo accounts, and I mean, that's pretty much it. Oh, I forgot to mention, a lot of people ask me personally to start a signal service, which I did. So if you want to be on that journey with me taking these Ftmo challenges, my Forex funds, or whatever fancy other prop firms so I can get my account up to $1 million, you can join if you want to. You don't have to though. We as humans have learned to adapt to a lot of changes, whether it's moving from a rural area to a city, school to school, or even from neighborhood to neighborhood if you're a different race from everybody and things of that nature. So this is just another thing that we have to adjust to. And personally, I'm not going to be sticking with Funding Talent. I will be moving on to other prop firms and, just doing my thing. Before we go though, I'm going to show you what this new Edge program is and talk about it. And I'll let you guys know my opinion on it. Personally, am I going to be doing it? Negative. But that doesn't mean that it doesn't suit you. So let's get into it.
Hey guys, what's going on? It's your boy Jay. This is the new Funding Talent Edge model. I personally am not a fan, but that doesn't mean that you will not be. So let's go over it and see what I like about it and what I don't like about it. First things first, this is a whole yada yada yada, a simulated account balance. So I like that they put that out to let you know that this is not a real account that you are going to be trading on, and that it is indeed a demo account. Does it really matter to me? Honestly, no, because as long as I get paid, I get paid. It's in beta mode and subject to incredible program features and improvements. This can be a double-edged sword, considering they can restrict things or have things more lax. All right, so first, no evaluation or targets. This is pretty snazzy, I'm not gonna lie to you. A lot of people don't like doing these challenges per se because they might not fit their risk parameters or just maybe too difficult, and that's fine. So that may be a reason why you would want to do this model. They have daily payout options. This is really awesome. Obviously, this is the best thing in any prop firm, but there are restrictions to this daily payout. So we'll end up learning about that a little bit later. Of course, risk-free learning incentive. I'm not sure what that means, but we do know that this is simulated capital that they already said before. And I'm guessing this just means that you're not liable for any losses. So of course, that's just how all the prop firms work. Sign up, choose 25K or 100K in fictitious capital. They really let people know that this is not real money. They say get started, no valuation, and you start doing what you got to do. Get paid when you build up those simulated profits. They're really emphasizing on this fictitious simulated, right? They're making sure that people know that these are demo accounts. Okay. It says cash them in when you meet the requirements. Max daily loss 5% and 10%. Nothing has changed from a regular challenge model account. Next, right? So 1250, 5,000, 2,500, 10,000. So nothing different there. Overall loss still the same. Goes out to the payout structure. So this is very important. So it says on the 25K account, you must accumulate 1250 in simulated profits in order to request a payout. So if you would like to be paid every day, you would have to make $1,250 every single day in order to request that payout. Okay. And you're getting 25% of that 1250. So you would get a total of 312. So you can make roughly $312.50 every day. And very similarly, you would have to make 4 times that amount. Sorry, someone's on my phone. Ah, nice. Okay. So for the 100K account, you must make $5,000 in order to request that payout, which means you would have to make $5,000 every single day in order for you to request a payout that would give you 25% of $5,000, which is $1,250. No, for me personally, that is a no-go. So whenever you reach that 5K, then you can request a payout, $1,250, get paid the same day. That's awesome. The amount that I have to make in order to get this, not so awesome, but it may work for you. Max rewards. Okay. So you are only able to request, right? If we go back to here, once you get to that 1250, that is the amount that you're going to be able to request in a day. So right here at 312.50, that is all that you can request every single day. If you go over that, then you will have to wait the next day in order to request more. This 25K account, 312. So we can only assume that the 100K is going to be 1250, right? And this looks really nice, 15K per month. But in order for this to be viable, you would have to make $60,000 every single month. All right, so EAs and trade copiers. I'm not sure, but I personally use Magic Keys as a risk management tool. I don't think that they will allow that. So let's see. Edge is meant to help you learn while also rewarding you. We want our traders to learn risk management and skill build on their own without depending on EAs or trade copiers. So I can only make the assumption that they will not be allowing EAs. And if they do, you're probably going to have to submit it for review. So we have consistency rules here. Oof. They got rid of consistency rules in the challenge model, but looks like they brought it back for the edge model. So let's go ahead and see what's going on here. Risk positions, don't care. All right. So we're going to risk per position should not change by more than 20%. So I assume that they in this one, they're talking about you cannot move your stop loss more than 20% of where it originally was. Okay, so now we have risk per day. Risk per day should not change by more than 20%. I think this is going to be the average amount that you risk. So if you're risking a standard lot on every single one of your trades, it should not go below a 0.8 or a 0.12 standard lot. Anything above or below that, you're going to violate these consistency rules. There is no limit to how long you can hold your position. So I'm guessing that means you can hold over weekends, which is nice. Number of positions per day should not change by more than 20%. So I'm assuming that if you have 5 positions per day, you cannot go above 6 or below 4. If so, that means you violate your consistency rules. And this says that it is not applicable to those taking less than 3 positions. So that's, something. Your max loss per position should not change more than 20%. So that means if you're a high risk trader, you need to continue being a high risk trader, or else you're going to violate your 20% rule. And if you're a low risk trader and you see a nice setup, you cannot increase your risk by more than that 20% that they're saying. Lot size. Maximum position should be no more than double the lowest position size. I don't. Not 100% sure what that means, actually. Maybe I'll leave that one up to interpretation. All right, so now we got the lottery mentality that says there is no gambling type of behavior permitted in this program, which means that everybody using their high lot sizes and grabbing a few pips and then getting out, they do not like that. And here's the big thing. We reserve the right to suspend payout. Okay. So if we notice any large sizes or other changes that result in substantial risk, they're gonna say no. So this is going to be something that's a little bit subjective to them. I personally don't like that, but because it kind of puts you at risk because you don't actually know what they count as a lottery mentality. So I would definitely be on my toes when trading. Prohibited strategies. Okay. Unfortunately, no demo accounts can often achieve much better quotes upon executing. This is due to demo accounts not actually needing someone to buy or sell positions. So you'll be able to get in exactly where you would like to and out exactly where you would like to. Unlike on a real account where you have slippage and misquotes and all kinds of weird stuff happening when trading news. So it's not possible to scalp highly volatile sessions with almost no risk on a live account, which I just stated. Micro scalping techniques are prohibited on all funding talent accounts. They do not have a definition of what micro scalping is. So just like up here in this lottery mentality, you're subjected to what they consider micro scalping, not what you consider micro scalping. So they can deny you even if they think that you're micro scalping and you're not. If you are a news trader or scalper, please understand that our company will also not tolerate any abuse of stop orders, either to exit or enter a position, which means straddling is just having a buy up and a sell stop down, and whichever way news shoots, it'll activate it. This is where the better quotes that they're talking about, typically it'll blow past people's stop losses or their orders or their take profits or whatever. But on a demo account, it just doesn't work that way. So it's kind of like trading on easy mode. Any strategy or technique used to deliberately exploit the demo account conditions will be denied as per our terms of service. Again, this is one of those things where you're subjected to what they believe is a technique that exploits the demo account system. We want our members to learn successful techniques and strategies, and not strategies designed to cheat the system. So I see where they're going with this. I like it, but I don't, because the rules are not really explained properly. But rule of thumb, members can choose between 25K and 100K, and members can have up to 3 100K accounts. All right, so I'm gonna be honest with you, I don't like this. This is a no-go for me. I really hope that me going over this with you guys helped explain a little bit more about what's what and why this has happened. Actually, I have no idea why this has happened. I can only make a few assumptions, and your boy's bank account might be the answer. But now, for real though, I personally won't be working with funding talent unless they bring back their challenge model again and restore my account to the challenge elite, because I do not want to be trading the edge model. So I'm just going to chalk this up as a loss of 300K, and I will be moving back over to using my Ftmo and my Forex Funds account. By the way, everybody, I'm currently doing Ftmo challenges at the moment. I have 3 running at the same time, and I will be converting those over to Swing because I made a total noob mistake while I had them as normal accounts. So let's just say I'm doing 3 right now at the same time, and they're going pretty well. I'll make a video about it, let you guys know how it's going. And then my Forex funds, I won't have an update for that one because I have been doing my Ftmo challenges. So sorry about that, but do know that I will get an update for you guys on that. And peace.